Am I playing?
No.
Am I playing?
Scoring opportunity too.
The rest I don't know.
Not yet. Not yet. Whoa!
Man, you didn't tag me. You didn't tag me.
Pressure!
You didn't tag me.
That's pressure! No!
And stop throwing sand at me. Tag me in your hands so I can feel it. Tag. The phone's off. The phone's off. The phone's off.
Turn. Even this one, you want it. No bother. Thanks, guys. 我6點鐘要去度。嗱，我帶咗幾個波，你同我攞啲棍好唔好啊？嚇？咁啊，真係我啲波啊！有幾多粒拎咗落嚟？呢兩粒。 踢緊嗰度，踢緊嗰個係咪我哋啊？好似唔係，呢個就係。橙白嗰個，佢哋踢緊嗰粒唔係嘛？細路仔唔係嗰個。呢個咧就係我嚟緊執嘅，細波嚟嘅，係咯。呢啲細波啊，下個禮拜攞翻嚟呢度咯。我將個人就攞㗎啦。3個波。呢個唔係，呢個應該呢個好波，邊個佢哋嘅呢個？另外咧3粒啊嚇，冇就唔緊要，因為仲有3粒，啊拎咗2粒，仲有3粒，拎咗2粒，仲有3粒啊，佢拎5粒出嚟㗎。唔係好過喎，之後仲有1粒。誒嗰度有一個，邊粒黃色？哦，嗰粒黑色嘅。啊。走個手先到到，呢個咧，呢個唔係啦，打入咩裏邊？有辦法，盡量啦嚇。但係暫時應該見到1粒之後就係呢粒，係緊呢粒，同埋呢幾隻個粒啊，仲爭1粒嚟。1粒好似嗰啲咁嘅，佢嗰啲咁嘅黑黑嘅。上晝威廉話留低位俾你踢㗎嘛，威廉咧攞翻嚟嘅。你又整傷個舊環啊？係啊，個真環㗎。水波，哦水波嘅，我都跑唔，嗰對鞋我紅燒嗰對鞋濕咗，因為上禮拜落水啊，放咗個杯咁。我拎出去洗完之後，今日多咗嗰啲球喎，我唔記得洗，我唔記得拎出嚟嘅車，之後前幾日洗都唔乾㗎，即係佢縮咗水嘅，佢冇縮，佢唔乾咁樣，唔乾我唔想係重啦，但係都係即係唔縮嘅，唔知有冇曬乾咗然後，因為我仲有一對啊嘛，咁我諗着嗰對。先至咧咁啊，咁你要換咁你係應該換，就講真你都唔都唔係咩嚟嘅，就唔會話啲水。你呢邊都好玩㗎，呢邊2比2啊，都唔係話冇得平咯，你想玩下咁亦都好，即係你轉下人踢下都好啲。咁悶咯，你唔係比賽啊嘛，你嚟會叻㗎。佢下下都過到你㗎，佢攞完多咗。係咪先有時？波又過到你啊！啲高波又你又唔夠佢整啊，佢唔開心，佢梗開心喎。Come out, come out. Baby boy, baby boy, don't go on the field.你呢個邊個啊 Kevin？ 呢個 Ara 㗎嘛？唔係 Ara 出咗去踢啦 ，Ara 走咗啦。係咩？頭先有踢佢嗰個邊個？嗰個公司都佢咪下次每一波都拍過去。呢一波啊，邊個帶翻嚟喎？即係用啲先得應該係個藍波，有個藍波兩個紅波啦，應該就咁樣啦。It's okay. We say sorry and get on here. 哎呀，屌！我對估。係有支爛咗喎。喂，唔該晒啊！好啦，不如見。哇！你玩咗咁耐啊！夠鐘啊！I don't know if you never give up. That's really good point. People look like very tired. Yeah. One. Oh. 飲酒，係咪交埋我啦？都要嘅今晚咯。我今晚唔飲啦。打嚟飲點㗎？ 你未翻俾佢？哦，佢咯，佢咯。啊？你叫佢搭巴士去到或者係篤船比較貴。Sky Bus。到時候咧，你俾埋眼就，我哋俾埋眼。但係個
Hey, Butcher, if you want more game, come earlier.
Next game with you guys. White game. We haven't played with the white game.
One more, not two more. One more, not two more.
Still playing anyway, right?
Yes, go.
Who is loser, Dino? Who is loser this game?
喂，韓國仔喎。知佢哋啊。而家得翻兩隊。
Tại vì thấy nó chạy nó có đúng không? Em cày. Nó chạy bỏ rồi, nó chạy nó ngừng lại. Như bét.
點樣打？No, we didn't kill him.
You play?
Done.
Go on, Joe. Don't give up, Joe. One more. Want to make a good view?
攞係嘛？
冇所謂。
你攞啦，你攞。
都係
唔係啊，5個波。執咗幾個？有冇得走啊？執咗兩個。啲鋪攞走咗啦。我要呢種呢個鋪。喂。Wait, right? Yeah. Come on, let's play. Who want to play? Go. 入緊要入咗先咯。One team, right? Yeah. Then you just do one team. 入去我踢就入去先咯，唔緊要啊，湊啊。可以唔踢下邊？咩啊？你仲有邊個踢？入去咯，即可以嘅。唔夠人呢邊啊！佢哋嗰人走啊嘛。
Another 2 weeks. Another 2 or 3 weeks.
喂，啱啱可以做龍啊，喂，幫我做龍啊。冇啊，我哋呢冇啊。其實跟度唔得誒 ，Rocky 你計幾多個啊？嗰邊加埋，你有幾多個入去？Just mix up, man, guys. Just mix up. It's fine. Go in. 喂，出嚟做龍啊，唔該。I just play 12. 打多個咯，唔緊要啊。
唔係啊，佢哋有幾個都哦，係咪？你幾個有咁多 Rocky 咁啊嘛？嚇？有個短板喺度，拉翻低咗，有個短板喺度啊！
拉翻低咗，有 Rocky 喺度交嘢，搞嘢。我係 man 姐去咗呢邊係咪？
有冇層買啊？點話點？係咯，層啊！點話你？嗌完之後望一望，哇！全都係色。
都冇人想踢。
睇法案個
趕期啊！仲有成7000幾張飛都未賣唔出。
即係好似友誼賽一樣。友誼賽係啊，玩啊！驚傷啊！ 歸隊啦嘛，賣完咗，嗰啲未踢過嘅，你玩下。係啊，唔係啊，阿蚊邊冇玩，嗰邊咪傷咗咯，Kobe Bryant 啊嘛，Kobe Bryant 啊，Kobe Bryant，你跟搞幾廿年，
所以咪冇踢咯。
嗰個打籃，Kobe Manu 喎，8年嗰個啊，Kobe Bryant，
佢話佢傷咗啫，佢唔肯踢啊！佢個命都冇，係咯，咪就係話咯。
This one no good.
I don't know. Is it better? 輕身嘅
氣啦，輕身啊，放氣啊，交波啊，你好似佢個放小氣啫嘛。呢個輕嘅，呢個輕啲有時。輕咯，即係波彈咯。
呢粒波邊個啊
20蚊啊？
幾多話？60蚊啊，所以唔好踢咯。
邊個幾多？
起碼100蚊啊。
有個240，240最貴，200幾差唔多6粒，240啊？
呢粒咪以前好貴嗰粒嚟嘅咩
？200呢粒係咯。哇，240，而家World Cup㗎嘛，講粒World Cup 240，
每人夾10蚊都買到啦。而家每人抌10蚊落去。踢仲唔踢兩波，仲踢得幾多年啊？踢下兩波得唔得？你每次咁樣講係咪？鋪住啊！踢屋腳度。
佢自己又唔攞啲靚波嚟，攞啲波嚟。每人夾10蚊呢期
買兩啦，全部人喺度，每人聽，每人10蚊。
你下個星期有手續又拍過去。
遲啲過世界盃減價啦，200幾200幾。你買翻粒總定時間3蚊嘅 OK 啊就。買2粒啊！就算你買一粒好啲嘅200蚊一粒。
你再租場都唔止10蚊。
咪係咯。
打係咪？最怕唔見咗啊！踢完之後。
咁呢啲冇得講啊！呢啲起碼踢咗先啦。我試過香港地第一腳個撲街新波就踢咗出海，喺香港第一腳屌佢，跟住閃撚咗走撚咗攞唔，仲唔撚夠興？啱啱先買1400幾個波，第一腳佢射出去又射出海，射出咗。
得啦，唔係，有個。
好遠㗎，好遠㗎個。而家車啲咪有減啦，變咗200零蚊，減100零蚊。你咁點解咁講？一個收60，一個收600，係咪合理啲先價錢？唔通你話唔通你話屌得一鳩樣嘢都係嗰個動作？係有分別就係有分別㗎啦嘛啲嘢，真係爭得。
因為平咪難，呢粒220啦，佢都話。
因為揸上手硬獨白嘅，因為揸上天然嘅，哇！
以前都話唔好踢啦，呢粒波220。
而家先話好踢。係
啦，而家睇台，而家話好踢啦。
呢啲係邊度？
呢隻有啲皮靚喎，呢隻。
好重啊！Next week bring $10, okay? Next week bring $10. $10? Yeah. We're gonna buy a new soccer ball.
Alright, yeah.
We're gonna buy 3.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
封上嘅 Raymond。如果你唔焗，跟住冇人。
冇人嚟咪冇踢咯。仲有幾多年啊？跟佢仲話衰咗包唔緊要。
掉喺度揾聲好。
呢個係咁啊嘛，有人知道佢仲喺度。
但係有啲嘢師兄頭先食咗一個幾
佢個火車人唔賣威嘞，無佢都嗌嘅。你靚位連識大佢嚟啊！
5點係閉幕禮先㗎係嘛？點係你同司法關係好唔好？
仲有黃髮嘅。
我根本都冇咩叫好黃髮嘅咩？而家仲話嚇？喂，你一紅牌有邊一屆係總統打電話去可以咩啦？有邊一屆得啊？應該應報嘅，有冇搞錯？即係比賽係咁係咁㗎啦！你總統打電話去又搣甩個紅牌喎！屌你老味！
之後邊隔離咪試咩？之後咪啤咗兩條咩嗰度有大嘅天。有係晒啲嘢。
係啊，你踢波啫嘛，足球波嚟嘅嘛，咪輸咯。大佬你美國都唔會有機會入翻嚟。
哦，自己。
你仲你睇干預呢個？你冇晒。
國際已經咩又搶嘢又成，因為團踢波都要咁樣快就係啦，邊周圍搶嘢而家打嘛，踢波就
我都要去
真係自己衝突啊！自己惡撚晒皇帝咁樣喎，衝突係咯，冇一句滿意啊！你有冇搞撚錯？入嘅電話你又咁樣整走嘅。
咁阿爸點睇啊？阿根廷同呢邊係咪做俾佢㗎？
梗係做啦，嗰頭邊度犯規吹得翻轉頭啊！
啱啊，嗰粒唔犯規一下㗎啦。
一係就一早吹。
哦，
啱唔啱先？
啱啊！你
有乜理由揾咗吹翻轉頭啊？根本就黑手。
嗰啲咁輕微嘅係啊，一接觸到
佢都分啊！喂，咁沙拿同一個犯規，點解你唔好吹上二碼？
嗰啲輕微接觸，一係早佢吹咗咯，係咪？
唔係咯，
阿根廷同英國嘅阿美斯有踩佢到隻腳嘅，佢又唔你話好嚴重，有踩到黑鬼嘅後衞隻腳嚟嘅啦。嘅
所以今屆我冇乜點睇啊，
又唔係咁推，又咁推就睇嘢，
都會夜晚起身睇喎。
冇威脅嗰個波，你推咗，咪嗰個波都冇威脅，掂到你就。
你話你贏2-0，你咁樣追翻轉頭贏翻，哇！咁你真係咁啊！真係咪打喺度做波做到咁，肯定大佬世界都話啱啊！
一個都唔中意阿根廷。
其實佢贏咗2-2。
牙應該係唔喺度贏嘅。
你個波入晒吹翻轉頭，你頂都仲係
我们玩具就是玩那个
吹翻轉頭。咁要 VAR 吹翻佢轉頭喎。有 VAR 吹翻
VAR 一息路 VAR 可以唔理都得，因為一理啊出事㗎啦。係嘛？
你睇追就波好。
喂，嗰球有得揸好撚遠嘅時候，好似唔同㗎。其實佢已經俾咗你啦，佢12碼你唔入啫嘛，你未試射唔入啫嘛，射唔入好啦，人哋追翻球啦，你又吹緊翻轉頭，即係你根本就係都唔想俾佢入，係咪先？係咪好揦渣？屌！去晒啦，去晒，高，我到尾。湧佢過去咯，佢都係咁嘅樣。所以企喺佢隔離都唔使知，唔係諗住
Guys is doing pretty well. 35 points.
法國同西班牙嗰就好睇啦，因為
同邊個話？
西班牙、法國、Amy 啊，嗰就好睇啦，真係。西班牙啲波真係啲頂波咁靚嚇，差連差。
由啲 Donald Trump 第一個電話打俾我已經冇。
佢一幾啦？佢48度係咪？已經可以唔咩？
佢肯正常啦，今屆最撚貴嘅係今屆，FIFA揾得最撚多錢嘅，你咁多場波又多，飛又貴，千鳩幾人一張，
登咁多數嘅。
政治又多，伊朗踢嗰啲又廣州人走又唔俾入境又咁多，所以今日睇翻
Wow, look good! Here is like fixed for Messi. Super big,
100%. That's what we're talking about.
This is what you're talking about now.
Huh?
Even the England game?
England?
Yeah. England, they did it to themselves, man.
Yeah, stupid.
I think it's a coach issue, man. That one is a coach issue. They're just asking for...
As soon as I see Rice and Gordon, they substitute the same level. That's fucking shit. Shouldn't be.
There's one video of Kane trying to tackle Messi, Kane, a few of them, Rice, all cannot get the ball from him. They're all falling over.
Yeah.
Because he's so short and his center of gravity is like...
Yeah.
The taller you are, the easier it is to use. Is this yours? No, I don't. Do you guys bring any ball?
The problem is the manager.
But if you want, you guys can say something else. If you park the bus and England won, then everybody say, wow, good.
Yeah.
This depends on the result. Then look out, it's called.
If we really hungry, we go in. Each of us will order.
I mean, for his first season, he got them to semi-final. For his first season,
But he is
Better
the
than,
manager. Every people expecting a lot from him.
English is always very critical. All the media.
Yeah, like what you said is true. If he pass the ball, he will win. Everything will be good. But now it's the other way around. That's why.
With a gamble, you get a lot of praise to lose.
But seriously, right? There's no point for you to substitute Rice and Gordon together. Your midfield totally changed. You just give away the opportunity to improve.
I felt the same thing. You must have
If you want some, just one. And Gordon just got a goal this year and something pretty good.
Go with the hand. On the line.
Okay.
On the line. Five minutes.
做俾阿根廷贏。
5 minutes or last goal.
有可能爆仔咯，真係仔。
咁啊買咗贏啦。
So
90分鐘嘛？
啊？
咪90分鐘搞。
Now it's
But now you want Spain because you don't
係
like
啦，咁波啦係。
I don't like.
重啲啦落去。
2蚊幾啊？
No, I mean I don't like Messi. I just don't like the
Chocolate, no share. Hot one.
especially the game Egypt.
Egypt one. I also felt Egypt one was like they stole the game from Egypt.
If Egypt lead by 2 goals, the solid over the game.
Do you like the only Asian?
No, there's Korean.
Mostly right? Mostly locals.
Mostly
Juventus
Italian.
will be Italian. Who's like Juventus rival in here? Is it Bully? Who's their main competitor? They don't like playing. They always want to
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know yet.
I think there's a mystery one. For us, it's usually like Croydon, Bayswater. You call it like Derby, Derby. I don't know. But you played 2 seasons?
2 seasons.
Yui, don't get injured. The other time our player got injured.
Yeah.
You saw it, right?
Yeah.
On. I'm so sorry.
That's why I feel something funny with it. I saw. Yeah.
Oh! Good ball, Yui. Expecting Japan to go further, I didn't expect them to.
Oh, the back is
But that was good. Brazil really stepped it up.
Yeah.
I just was hoping Japan for the black ball.
Yeah.
Limit.
Yeah. I thought Japan would beat Brazil.
I suppose so. That's all the leading up, they beat all the Germany, Brazil.
Yeah, yeah.
But that's warm up. Biggest disappointment for me is Germany. Usually they get
But
quite soft.
Japan is leading by 1. That's all.
It's like a bar.
The last 2 World Cup, Germany really well. Like literally now.
Yeah.
Italy even not qualified.
Wow.
I was saying next to a woman. I don't know. Sounds so intense. It sounds so good. It sounds really good. It's like rapping. It sounds really good. Everything on my day.
咁朝早 feel like 日
Come you guys to here.
你嗰度
Wait, I don't understand.
負一啊！
負一咁咩？喺新加坡啲嚟緊我朝頭早
3個
Kim 度，你可能比佢重啲㗎。嗰度可能你話朝頭3、4點嗰時。
睇出唔到啊！
嗰度。
I was like this. Yeah.
手咗我都。Wake up at 5, right? Watch finals.
This timing is quite nice for us before work.
You guys going to? Anyone go to courthouse? Watch the final game?
So I won't say anything. Really good. Everyone has to rush to work after that.
Yeah, true.
Have a breakfast.
有啲難咗我哋點解唔明位點解都有
Unlimited supply of snacks. And you're not sharing with me.
係咩？唔係啊，我 Raymond 去嘅。
我只係支持。
Anh Thành ơi, cái gì hết?
Guys, time. If you want to keep going, one more.
I say again.
It's 5:05.
望住我女機啊，機場。好啦，你哋慢慢飲啦，拜拜。拜拜。拜拜，William。
Vincent喺度。Vincent 過唔過啊？
飲嘢。
嗰啲啊，喺嗰度特別喎。
今日冇落片，得冇。因為得我哋4個。
咁啊，4個，得我一條。
You're not gonna have dinner?
係難嘅。
What time is your dinner? 6. I think for about right, right? 8:30. I know.
Bedtime.
Bedtime, yeah.
Bedtime. Dinner time.
Don't freak. Dinner now. Yeah. Last year we say it's not in Canada this year. It's in last year, it's not this year.
Last year, no. This year is quite early learning. I see people
Finally, people
they're very funny. Very special.
chuck it there.
Yeah, next time it's
Time! That's what I found it.
yeah.
Born in China.
More like family.
You have cousin.
Oh.
Have a good week, Kelvin. Take care, man.
Bye bye.
See ya.
Have you done your pantry thing?
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
The DIY or
No,
someone?
I'm gonna get someone.
You like stay in the same.
咁轉喎，
跟住噶嘛，
跟住波㗎。
佢好似係跟住個波，邊度有波人？有時唔準嘅，有時我哋過咗波係咪？
係啊。
有時我哋喺度波係咪？呢樣節目啲人出邊睇得多啊，佢就影住呢度。
哦，咁樣嘅。
可能係佢中意人多，即係粒波喺嗰度。跟住個波，我就逼咗。你冇上去睇咩 YouTube？
I like the gravy, but I don't like the
多咗噶嘛？你可以落去睇成。
Vinegar chocolate. Good in winter.
very good.
Ginger.
Ginger, yeah.
I can't find it here.
Oh, somewhere. No better.
Just buy the chocolate. Buy a good bottle of vinegar.
Sweet vinegar.
Sweet vinegar.
Dry vinegar mix, right?
Too much. Okay, man, it's too young. Look at you're so skinny. Too young. You need fat. You need sugar, fat. You need vitamin.
Yeah, they don't care. The white people, they always say the same things like that.
We are not offended.
Yeah, we're not offended. Yeah. You're fat. It's okay. I know. I'm so unhealthy.
Oh!
Oh!
Beautiful game. Done.
Let's go now. Say bye bye to all the uncles.
Bye bye, huh? See you.
Yeah, buddy.
See you next week.
We change our food.
Edmund!
Somebody else brought that.
How much are we up to?
The Korean put like 5 times the whole each one.
We're done Sunday week one anyway.
Yeah. I like it, man. Next week. Beautiful. Good defending. Huh? Me too. I learn from you. You too.
Game mà bỏ thành vô cho game khó.